Hi everyone, welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today we're going to talk about MT Concordance. Our goal for today will be to translate two similar sentences using translation memory and MT. First, we need to configure our preferred MT provider and our translation memory. Then we'll go into the document and here see the two similar sentences. The only difference between them is that in the first one we are translating digital instruments and the second one will be translating MIDI keyboards. Now let's go ahead and translate the first one. So I'll just use machine translation suggestion and then I store this into the translation memory. And in the second one we get a fuzzy match. And now we could look up the term in the web or somewhere else, but we could instead just highlight the part that we need to translate, and then right click and select MT Concordance or press Ctrl-Shift-K. In that case, we will, in the translation results on top here, see the translation of this particular part, and we can now insert it into the translation using a keyboard shortcut. In this case it's Ctrl and 1. Confirm the translation and move on. Thank you for watching.